Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Kemi's Corner. Recall that Baba Ijesha is facing a 6-count charge bordering on the indecent treatment of a child, sexual assault, attempted sexual assault by penetration, and sexual assault by penetration. In this video, Baba Ijesha is seen in handcuffs and being whisked away by security operatives from the correctional center to the Special Offences Court Ikeja today before his court ruling. Baba Ijesha beefed up his defense in his trial over allegations of child molestation by hiring 2 senior advocates of Nigeria, SAN, to represent him during proceedings at an Ikeja Special Offences Court. It is reported that the 2 SANs who announced their appearance before Justice Oluwatoyin Taiwo during today's proceedings are Mr. Dada Awoshika, SAN, and Mr. Babatunde Ogala, SAN. The senior lawyers announced appearance with a team of 6 junior counsels to represent Baba Ijesha in his defense. The Lagos State Director of Public Prosecution, DPP, Mrs. Olayinka Adeyemi, led the prosecution for the state. The DPP was accompanied by 4 state prosecutors. After the proceedings, at the end of the proceedings, Justice Oluwatoyin Taiwo of the Ikeja Special Offences Court granted Baba Ijesha bail in the sum of 2 million naira and 2 sureties. The judge today ordered that one of the sureties be a blood relative of the defendant and the other a lawyer. At the end of this video, you'll see a picture of Baba Ijesha being set free for the first time. He regains his freedom, and he's seated with Comrade Agedo Stephen. They are on their way to get him medical treatment. I hope you'll enjoy this video. Please comment, like, and share. And don't forget to subscribe too. And thanks to all those who subscribed. Like, I got 3 new subscribers. I'm grateful. I'm really grateful. I appreciate everyone who subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless. And see you in my next videos. Bye.